Can you auto scroll on Instagram Reels? So let's get started. You cannot auto scroll on Instagram Reels within the official Instagram app. Instagram does not offer a built in feature for automatic scrolling on Reels. However, if you are looking for easy ways to browse through Reels quickly, then you will have to manual scrolling. Simply swipe up on your screen to view the next reel. Tap and hold to pause a reel if you want to watch or read details without its auto advancing. Auto scrolling tools often lack precision and Instagram encourages organic interaction. They can also detract from the experience of carefully engaging with content. So, auto scroll is not recommended in Instagram. Also, a practical low tech solution is to use accessories like a Bluetooth clicker or set your phone on a motorized stand that scrolls automatically. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.